Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today we're checking out the season finale of A Knight of the Seven Kingdoms. This episode is titled The Morrow, and I am so excited, guys. I have loved this show so freaking much. This season has been absolutely insane. Like, I love the characters. I love the way it's shot. I love the music. It's a perfect season of television. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to check out the full uncut reaction, go over to my Patreon, linked in the description below. Please, please, please go check that out. And without further ado, let's dive on in. All right. We are back. Dude is so cooked. Like,
been a wonderful tournament.
His wounds, they have mortified it. It's beyond my abilities.
Oh, the others fucking girl me. Beyond your... An itchy asshole is beyond your abilities, my friend. Be gone, witch. Fuck off with you.
Yes, ma'am. At once.
Cunt. It's fine. You're fine. He's a terrible mace.
Taylor fought for me. He gave his fucking life. Can you speak of him with a little respect, please?
Fuck that, and fuck you! I fought for you. Harding, Beesbury, the fucking apple boy, we fought for you. Your prince fought for you against men sworn to protect him. He risked nothing.
damn.
And the gods don't favor a fraud.
Heir apparent to the Iron Throne. Hand of King Daeron the Good, Lord of the Seven Kingdoms, and Protector of the Realm. May the gods keep him.
My prince. Your father, he was a great man.
He died in my armor.
Oh. Oh.
Plenty of sons have died in their father's armor. How many fathers have died in their sons?
Damn. Fuck, that was insane. I feel so bad.
Sir Duncan! Dunk!
We went by your camp, but you weren't there. Started getting worried. You've come from Baylor's funeral. I can't believe you went.
Thought I owed it to him.
It's long enough, Hug. Long enough.
Besides, it's better to be an unripe green apple than a wormy red
Oh,
one.
that's cool.
Oh, right. Pleased to meet you too, Lady Rowan.
Should come and watch the trial. Said I fought like a wild bull.
And with all the grace of one.
Uh-oh.
Sir Duncan, Prince Maekar demands a word. You to come with us.
He's not going anywhere. He's been through enough.
The gods know it is a lie, but I will hear the whispers to the day I die.
Yep.
You swung the mace, my lord. But it was for me Prince Baylor died.
You will hear them whisper as well. The king is old. When he dies, each time a battle is lost or a crop fails, the fools will say Baylor would not have let it happen.
Damn. Damn. Damn, damn, damn,
The
damn,
hedge
damn.
knight killed him.
Mightn't it be that some morrow will come when I'll have need of that foot, when the realm will need that foot even more than a prince's life?
Will you have him?
Aw.
Me? There is a place for you at Summer Hall. You'll swear your sword to me, and Aegon can squire for you while you train him. My master-at-arms will finish your own training.
Aw.
Were you spying?
No?
Yes?
You are not of pain. Maybe you're not the knight I thought you were.
Oh, his death.
May I ask you, sir?
When a lord calls his banners and sends us boys off to war, It's custom for each to nail a penny to the oak in the square. And if we return, to take it down. Oh, it's a great old tree. And yet, it's often hard to find a spare bit to nail a new penny.
Why did you never knight me? Or was it something else?
Is he dead?
Sir?
Oh my god, he's dead. Fuck.
Sir?
And that's why they call it the penny tree. A true knight always finishes a story.
You know, my brother wasn't always such a little monster.
Egg is no monster. It's just a boy.
I didn't mean Egg, but no doubt we'll make a man of him too.
Ah.
Perhaps the seeds of madness are sown in the womb, as the maesters say.
Oh. There's no way he killed him.
I will take Egg to Squire, but not at Summerhall.
I thought you were done with princes.
Egg is no prince. Not yet. Might be he's better served away from castles and servants and...
His family? He's my last son.
I think an orchard might suit her better.
Aww. I've said aw so much.
Oh, there, Sweetfoot. Do you like apples?
Or stinks again. The flies around him. North of the wall.
Sir Duncan! My Lord Father says I am to serve you.
Aww. Hell yeah.
Suppose we could go anywhere in the Seven Kingdoms, though I've never been
Nine.
to...
Dorn?
What?
There are 9 kingdoms, sir.
Of what?
The realm.
Are you mad?
Is that relevant?
There's 7 kingdoms of the realm, boy. Everyone knows that.
Then everyone is wrong.
Do you want to clout in the ear?
Crownlands, Westlands, Stormlands, Riverlands, the Iron Islands, the North, the Reach, the
The
Vale
North.
of Arryn, and Dawn.
The North mentions, the North remembers. Breaking Bad.
No, but...
I've never been over the Red Mountains before.
Love how wholesome this show is. Aww. Well, very well done. Oh.
Where's Aegon?
I've not seen him, my prince. I will ask the Septons.
He ran.
Fuck is he?
What do you get? Bro, so he lied. Dunk lied. Oh my god. That was so good. So good. Love this show. Great season of television. Yeah, I'm already kind of in a need for season 2. After I can't believe he lied to him. It's only fitting. So thank you guys so much for watching on this beautiful journey. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you guys later in season 2, whenever it happens. What did you guys think? See you guys later. Bye, guys.